Customer called me up, said his machine was down, but he had a job to get done. Wanted to know if I had a skid steer for rent. I said, yes, sir, I do. He said, how much? I said, $2.50 a day plus taxes and fuel. He said, do you deliver? I said, yes, sir, I do. $2 a mile. He said, bring it on. So we drove on down there, delivered him the machine. A few days later, he called me up and said he was done. The dump truck was sitting on the trailer, so it went for a ride. Look at those clouds rolling in. Kind of cool to watch in the time lapse. And here comes the rain, but we don't let a little bit of rain stop us. When you got a job to do, you got to get it done when you got to get it done. A little bit of rain sometimes makes things a little bit sloppy, a little bit wet, a little bit muddy, but that's all right. You can work in a little bit of that. Not a big deal. Dump truck goes in the back of the pickup, Bobcat on the trailer, and we are headed home. We're going to get this thing unloaded. We're going to get that trailer cleared off. We're going to get it parked and put away. Today at $1.